Good morning. Another day, another video. Today, very short walk from the apartment. We're just heading through the Hippodrome now. We're going across to line up for the Basilica Cistern tour. So hopefully it's not too long a line. We're going to be there by about 2:45 or 10 to 9, and it opens at 9 o'clock. So here we are lined up. We're about 4 groups back in the queue that has the ticket already. And there's the Hagia Sophia. And if you haven't bought a ticket online, then you're in that queue there. So, and this is at 8:45, well, 5 to 9 now, 8:45 when we lined up. So definitely buy your ticket online first. The lights seem to change and come on every so often. Certainly a very large place. A lot of people in here. Some people seem to move through very quickly. Got the Medusa sitting over there. Cool thing is the shadow that it casts. We were just under an hour in there. Cost us 50 euros or 100 New Zealand dollars. Oh no, about 110 New Zealand dollars. 60 euros. For the two of us. It was, yeah, it was interesting. Probably not as good as, well, definitely not as good as our salt mine tour that we did in Krakow. But yeah, no, it was good. We've come out to see if we can capture the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque at night, but not sure if the camera's really up to it. This morning we're taking the ferry to Kadikoy.
Sayın yolcularımız, Eminönü iskelesine yanaşmaktayız. İnecek yolcularımıza lütfen müsaade ediniz. Dear passengers, we are approaching the port of Eminönü. Thanks for the